this is an issue, I think it is very in and around your constituency also. Kannadigas now, tomorrow it can be Tamilians, the day after it can be somebody else. As a legislator from that area, how are you looking at this issue?
Now, the whole problem is the constitution has given us certain rights. So under that right, you can easily contest anywhere if you are an eligible voter of that area of that constituency. I think so. No, there is nothing which can stop you from becoming a legislator or sarpanch or panch or a councillor. But the whole problem is when you have that Kanada Mahasang tag coming in, that might create certain doubts in the minds of people. But if you are fighting as a Goan, means if you have a voter card of a Goan origin, or if you are being staying for very long in Goa, I think so. There is nothing which can stop you from contesting any elections.